Have you ever felt overwhelmed by all the technical terms thrown around in the world of thermoset materials? Terms like G10 Phenolic might sound impressive, but let's clear up a common misconception. There's no such thing as G10 Phenolic. Let's break down why. Thermoset laminates are composite materials, meaning they're made up of two main parts, a resin system and a substrate. It's the combination of materials that creates the properties and characteristics of the final product. Think of it like a sandwich. The resin system is the glue holding it all together, while the substrate is the filling that gives it structure and strength. With thermoset laminates, there are several resin systems commonly used: epoxy, phenolic, silicone, melamine, polyester, and polyamide. And for substrates, you'll often see glass fabric, cotton fabric, paper, aramid fabric, or other woven materials. Each of these creates a unique grade of material. Now that you know the building blocks, let's explore the most common resin and substrate systems used in thermoset laminates. G10 is an epoxy-based system with a glass fabric substrate. It's tough, moisture-resistant, and perfect for high-strength applications. FR4 is similar to G10, but with a flame-retardant epoxy resin, making it a go-to for electrical applications. CE and LE are cotton-based phenolic materials. CE uses a coarse weave cotton, while LE uses a finer weave, making them ideal for applications that demand impact resistance or machinability. G11 is an epoxy system, like G10, but with enhanced temperature resistance for demanding environments. GPO3 is a polyester resin with a glass material substrate, often used in electrical insulation due to its arc resistance. Carbon fiber laminates, also a composite, combine carbon fiber with epoxy or phenolic resins and are prized for their strength-to-weight ratio. So, where does G10 Phenolic fit into all this? It doesn't, because G10, by definition, uses an epoxy resin system, not phenolic. Saying G10 Phenolic is like calling a square a circle. It just doesn't add up. G10 is always epoxy-based, and phenolic simply isn't a part of its design. When you understand the resin and substrate systems, it's clear there's no such thing as G10 Phenolic. Instead, each grade has its own unique formula designed for specific performance needs. Thanks for tuning in to this Atlas Fibre Material Minute. For more insights on thermoset laminates and composites, subscribe and join us next time to dive deeper into performance characteristics.